All right. Hey, Sean. This is your crash course in changing or adding an output module to an EPC3004. This is what you're going to do at Eaton. So you have the module. It comes in one of these electrostatic bags, and you just pop that open. And the one I have for this demonstration is a relay output module. You have the triac output one, so it'll look different from this. You won't have that big block of an orange relay there. Anyway, so here's the EPC3004. I assume that Eaton will already have this panel mounted. So what you have to do to get to the insides of this, you'll pull it right out from the panel. And it might be a bit challenging because of it being panel mounted, and if they cut the quarter DIN hole where this is panel mounted especially tight, the harder it will be. You may have to open the front of the control panel that it's in, and you'll have to loosen the panel mount clip, which is this. And just take them off so that you could pull the whole assembly out through the hole a bit in order to get to be able to pull out the electronics chassis and do what you need to do. So there's one of these clips on top, and then there's another at the bottom, and you just kind of need fingernails to pull them off. All right? Now,
well, if you have no fingernails.
Yeah. If you don't have fingernails, find someone that does. Right. So the idea is to pull, there's these tabs here, these ears. So here's one ear on this side, another ear on that side. And you kind of pull them out like this, and then just pull on the chassis, right? And the whole kit and caboodle comes out. All right. Now, where you are going to install the triac module is, if you look here, there's 3 positions. This is for output 1A, 1B. This is for output 2A, 2B. And there's an empty slot here right now, which you will find on Eaton's EPC3004 right here, where you'll put in the triac output. So there's a female receptacle here for position for bayonet pins on the module. And then back here, I'm not sure if you can see it on my video because I can't tell, but sort of right here where my finger is, that is a 6-position female bayonet pin connector for the other side of the module. So here's the module again. If you see here, there's the 6-position male bayonet pin connector, and on this side, it's two bayonet pins male, and you'll just match the pins with the male pins with the female connectors. So I'm just going to go in here and plug this in and make sure that everything is seated beautifully. Right. So there, I've lined up the pins. I'm just pushing it in, and there are these white plastic standoffs, one on this side and then one down here, right where my finger is. Make sure that that engages the hole so that you have a nice tight seal, and boom, you're done. Easy squeezy. This position is where you're going to put that triac output on at Eaton, and then just back into the panel mount sleeve it goes, lickety split. And there you have it. All done in 5 minutes. Okay. Call me if you have any issues. Bye.